Hold on a second. It's called the hype cycle, but actually it's not a cycle. I mean, there are 5 stages, and when a technology reaches the final one, it does not go back to the first one. Anyway, the hype cycle. If you want a simple definition, it's a graphical representation of how much expectation a technology has at a given time. And what is the purpose, you might ask? Well, being able to locate your favorite JavaScript framework in one of the 5 stages is a way to understand if you can already use it in production or if you should maybe wait a little bit more and mostly use it inside projects. So what are those 5 stages? Well, let's give them a look. Innovation trigger. This is the first stage. A new technology is born. It is usually a research project or a prototype, absolutely not ready for production. And it's not even clear if it will ever be. It's that new thing your colleague mentioned at the coffee break, but that's pretty much all you know about it. Peak of inflated expectation. A few weeks have passed since that conversation at a coffee break, and at this point, you've heard about that technology a few more times. Someone is already doing some experiments and wow, it looks really promising. It's definitely faster than the current standards, easier to use, more reliable. It's just better, in theory. Trough of Disillusionment. Remember those promising experiments? Well, they don't scale. Theoretically, the new toy was better under any circumstances, but in practice, it started showing out some flaws and limitations. So people are now a little bit more skeptical than ever, and the technology is deemed as a failure. Slope of Enlightenment. Most of the people have already forgotten about the new technology. It's a thing of the past. It just didn't work. However, there's still a small group of people looking at the bright side and trying to overcome the limitations. More applications are built. Some flaws are identified and fixed. And you know what? For some specific use cases, it's actually becoming a viable solution, even for production. Plateau of Productivity. If a technology gets all the way to this stage, which is not guaranteed, it means that it has found some place in the market. We learned how to use it, which problem it solves, and which one it does not. In case you have a problem that can be solved with that technology, it is indeed one of the cards you can play. To wrap up, do all technologies go through each one and all of the stages? As I briefly mentioned, at least for the last stage, no, not necessarily. Some technologies might just die at any of the stages, but also among the one reaching the plateau of productivity, some can go faster and others might take more time. If you're curious about who came up with this concept, it's from Gartner, a research and advisory company. Every year they publish a new update, but the full research is only for paying customers. But regardless of that, it's an interesting way of understanding how to approach a new technology and don't get fooled if it's overhyped. And with that said, if you like my content and you're not subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button so that you will not miss any future video I publish on my channel. It really means a lot for me, so thank you very much. And with that said, thanks for watching this video, I really hope you liked it and see you in the next one. Thank you and have a good one. Bye!